Yo, what is up, everyone? We are back on live. Really appreciate you all for tuning back in. Let's see what happens here. So, yes. Yo, what is up, everyone? We are back now on live. Really appreciate you all for tuning in. And yes, before you tune into my live stream, just remember, guys, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So please, before tuning in, just guys know, not financial advice. Yo, Vic, what's up, my guy? How are you today, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. So yeah, yesterday was a very good day. Obviously, did get into a couple swings, only light though, but I want to go over them. And yes, we're going to go over SPY, we're going to go over the Qs, pretty much everything as well. Let me go ahead and grab my notebook. Give me 1 second here. Alright, perfect. I got my notebook, guys. So let's go ahead and let's do this. So, yo, Logic, what's up? What's up, Terry, my guy? What's up, guys? So first things here. Obviously, this was more of a lotto swing. What we saw here yesterday, and yes, guys, please to make sure you guys know, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So yes, first thing we saw here, I saw this clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering, and at the end of the day yesterday, I saw us breaking above this level, this wall. I can even go down to a one-day chart. And you can see we were just above this wall here. Obviously, pre-market's at 170. And we ended up pushing above into this empty space. So we gapped above where my wall was, and we went up to the empty space. So that was just pretty much it for that. Let's go over SPY. So we had a couple other ones as well. We'll go over them too. Oh, wow. Okay, so yes, SPY. Yo, Bill, what's up? What's up? Yeah, let me do AMD. Let me write that down for you. No worries. Good to see you again, man. So yeah, AMD, let's do it. Alright, after SPY, of course. Alright, so let's go to a 4-hour chart and let's break this one down. Oh, wow. Hold on, give me a second here. Alright, so yes, there could be two possible outcomes here that look really good. There is some empty space above us. Let me go to a lower time frame and let's try to break this one down. Oh, wow. So yes, same thing here. So this is what I'm seeing here for SPY, and I see two possible outcomes. Obviously, yes, guys, you have to do your own research, not financial advice, so please do your own research, of course. But yeah, let's look at this. And yes, guys, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. You all have to do your own research. I'm only going over the Potter box and how I personally utilize it. So pretty much examples of the charts. And as you can see, there's just nothing for us to do. But right now, this is what I'm seeing here. I see this clear empty space move down of all of these red candles with no green candles interfering. And this is exactly what I want to the upside. Yo, Jose, what's up? Dude, I'm ready, man. It's going to be a great day, man. So yes, first things first. What do we need? A top wall there. And also a bottom wall here. So yes, top wall, bottom wall. And I'm going by points of contact. And these points of contact that I'm pretty much seeing. So the top wall is going to be our most important. You can see body candle closing directly at the same line. And this is where price is having a hard time getting over. And if we do end up breaking and having a candle closure above this wall here, above this what, 548 area, I don't see any resistance, guys, until, boom, this green candle right here. So yes, what is this? This can also be considered another box. So right now, we do not want to trade inside of consolidation. We want to trade to consolidation. Obviously, what are we doing now? Where are we at? We are currently down here, so there's just nothing for us to do right now, except for just wait. But that looks really good for the future. PLTR, yep, got you, Sean, no worries. I can definitely do that. Thanks for the follows, guys. PLTR, yeah, I'm writing all this down, so no worries. Gonna pin your comment, Jose. Thank you so much for tuning back in. Alright, so yes, my first take profit is always going to be from my entry to my exit, the middle of the move. And that middle of the move is literally the 50% mark, as you can see. But right now, yes, I broke it down. We're not trading inside of consolidations because if we're inside of consolidation, we don't want to take a trade. I would only want to take a trade if we're outside, targeting into the next area of consolidation. But as of right now, it looks like we're consolidating. There's just nothing for us to do right now. And yes, please do your own research. Not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. Alright. I do like this. This does look pretty good, though. For SPY as well. Can I look at INTC? Yeah, I can definitely do that. Yeah, INTC, honestly, haven't even looked at INTC. So yeah, we can definitely do that as well. Honestly, yes, see some empty space here, but let's go over the cues really quickly. So, just want to go back down the line and, you know, just break everything down. Obviously, the cues are going to pretty much be like with the, with SPY. So, yes, let's go here. Let's see what we have here. Personally, yes, there is still a little bit of empty space above us, but I like, let's go down here as well. Let's scroll down to a lower time frame. And yes, guys, all of my entries, all of my exits will be the literal same. I don't change anything whatsoever. And I mean that. So yes, all my setups, I look for the same exact setup on each time frame, no matter if I'm on a 24-hour or a 1 minute, doesn't matter. All right, hold on, give me a second here. So 30-minute chart, I can go to 30-minute, honestly 15-minute. Well, that 15-minute doesn't look bad though. So alright, this is what I'm seeing here. This is a more of a 15-minute chart. Tesla, yeah, I can do Tesla for you. Yeah, no worries. Yo, thanks, Sandy, for the follow. Really appreciate it. Yo, Marco, good morning, good morning. Good to see you. So, Tesla, yeah, I can definitely do that. And, alright, and yes, this is a 15-minute chart. Obviously, you know what? We'll do it on 30 minutes. It's actually, no, 15-minute looks pretty good. So, yes, what do we have here? Top wall. Also, another bottom wall here. And what do you have underneath? Yo, thanks for the gifts. Really appreciate it. We have body candle and a wick closing nearly at the same line. And let's just say we do end up breaking under that wall. I don't see any resistance, guys, until boom, this red candle here. Obviously, yes, I would try to, you know, take it down all the way here, but we'll just have to see. First take profit would still be the middle of the move from the entry to the exit, and that is the imbalance. This is where we typically trim those contracts, leaving the runners. Obviously, yes, guys, we are consolidating. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. You have to do your own research, not financial advice. So please, before you do anything, always do your own research. Yo, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Meta, yeah, let me look at Meta. I can definitely look at Meta. Dude, yeah, I'm doing well, bro. Honestly, I got up a little, actually, I got up really early this morning, so yeah, it's going to be a great one. Glad I found your page after I was lost. Yo, thank you so much. Going to pin that comment. No worries. And yes, if you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat. You can also join the VIP chat as well. Links in the bio. But yeah, I look for the same setup each and every day. I don't change anything. Obviously, yes, you all have to do your own research, not financial advice, so please do your own research. But yeah, I look for the same setup each day, and this is what we did just yesterday. Obviously, I can show you only the charts and nothing else, and only examples. But yes, I look for clear empty move down of no consolidation, and I wait for a break over my wall, and we go up and tap. Obviously, my final take profit did end up hitting. QQQ, same thing. Yesterday, had a clear move down. We broke over my consolidation area. We went up and tapped. Obviously, yes, that was in my VIP chat. But yeah, it was wild. Yo, what's up? Good morning, good morning. Good to see you, good to see you. All right, so right now, yes, what are we doing? We have a clear move up of no consolidation. And this is exactly what we want to the downside. And we have a top wall, a bottom wall, an area of consolidation that needs to be broken to the downside in order for us to go fill the empty space. But right now, we cannot enter into anything. There's nothing for us to do except for wait. Obviously, it's pre-market anyway, so. And that's pretty much it. Explain the wall. Got you. So, and yes, guys, not telling you guys to buy anything. You all have to do your own research. I'm only going over examples of charts, so please do your own research. So these walls that I'm, having here. So, yes, bottom wall. Actually, we'll go over the SPY one. I think I did it on a, what? Yeah, so I think I did this on, 30 minutes. No, I think I did it on a 1 hour. So, this wall looked a little bit better. So right here, what are we seeing? What is this wall that I'm talking about? What are these areas of consolidation that I am talking about? So the first thing that I've seen here, at least, was a clear, easy move down of all of these red candles with no green candles interfering. And this box right here. So this is called the Potter box. And this is an area of consolidation. So the buyers are controlling the bottom wall. So buyers, their job is to keep price pushing up. And sellers, their job is to keep price pushing down. So this top wall that I'm seeing, obviously is a, area where these candles cannot get over. So body candle closing directly at the same line. They're having trouble getting over this wall. So we need buyers. So buyers are at the bottom. We need buyers to step in and overtake sellers in order for us to target to the upside. And that's just pretty much it. Obviously, we'll go over some more examples as well. But yeah, that was on the cues. Pretty fire. Let's see, AMD. Yeah, let's look at AMD right now. And yes, I will be going down the line, guys, of pretty much everything. Let's start on a higher time frame and then work our way down. Let's see what. So yeah, I did swing BABA yesterday too. So let's see. So yesterday we were at this 115 area, and as you can see, we were above my wall. We ended up swinging. Obviously, it needs to stay up, but we are at my imbalance as well. So what's your bias today? Yeah. What's up, man? How are you, man? So honestly, I have my plays pretty much set. But the chart is just going to tell me what to do. If it tells me to get in calls, I'll do calls. Puts, I'll do puts. Obviously, yes, it does look like we are going up, but we'll just have to see. Strategy. So this is the Potter box. I use the Potter box strategy. And I look for the same setup each day. And you can go to my gains page. You can see what we do here. We had a Tesla swing, on Thursday of last week. And on Monday, you can see we look for a clear move up of no consolidation. You can see we're underneath our wall. We go down and tap. So that was that. We had a couple other, decent moves. So this was all I think this was Monday too. So we had Monday, Tuesday, obviously today's Wednesday. Clear move up of no consolidation. And once we break under my wall, so body candle, wick. And you can see once we break under this wall here, I'm targeting into where there's no consolidation. And boom, there's no consolidation there. Yo, good morning, what's up? And yes, you can ask the members if I, use the same strategy each day. I use the same thing. I don't change anything at all. Shout out to Erica, really appreciate you pulling up. And yes, guys, if you want to join the free Discord, link is in the bio. Just please, guys, make sure, not financial advice. You have to do your own research. So, no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So please, please, please do your own research. How long have you been trading the Potter box strategy? So I think, for a very long time, I think 2 years or something like that. Coming very close, but I've been trading for over 4 years for sure. Yeah, DLTR, dude, honestly, yeah, I did end up, so DLTR was another good one that we had. Almost at first TP, man. That was a trade that, I got into, Thursday of last week, and, we ended up breaking above, and now pre-market's up $2 more. So, yeah, honestly, that's a very good one. So same thing here. It doesn't matter if I'm on a weekly chart, a 24-hour chart. You can see we had a clear move down of no consolidation. We end up breaking outside of my consolidation box, and we end up going up above as well. Yo, Shannon, good morning. Good deal. However, yeah, a lot of people, it's definitely newer in the trading world. So, but yes, please do your own research. Not telling you guys to buy anything. You have to do your own research, of course. But yeah, I love it. It's great. I did my own research, and I pretty much used a lot of strategies before, and I love Potter box. So shout out to Potter Stocks PBS as well. So yes, AMD. Let me stop yapping now. So let's go to a higher time frame, honestly, maybe we could do a 2-hour time frame. Doesn't look bad. Yo, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Okay, so same thing here. What do we have? Beauty. We have this big red candle with no green candles interfering, and all that I'm pretty much waiting for is a top wall and a bottom wall to be broken. So the softball that I'm seeing here, as you can see, body candle, and body wick closing directly at the same line. And ooh, look, what are we having? It looks like we ended up breaking outside of this wall. Obviously, let's just say if we do end up breaking outside and closing above, where's the resistance? I don't see any resistance, guys, until boom, this green candle here. And yes, what are we targeting? Inside the middle, where there is no consolidation. That's exactly what I want. Obviously, yes, not telling you guys to buy anything. You all have to do your own research. I'm only going over examples and how I personally utilize the Potter Box, and that's pretty much it. But as you can see, inside the middle, from my entry to my exit, this is the imbalance. This is where we trim most contracts. Aren't most stocks up because of news? So yeah, a lot of stocks up. A lot of stocks are up because of news. You know, news is, you know, well driven in the markets, but it doesn't matter if it's news. It doesn't matter if Powell was speaking. If I see a play, I will definitely get in. Obviously, I have precautions. If, you know, it's a big news day, then I'll go a little lighter. But, you know, markets are mechanical for sure. You know, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So, yeah, AMD looks really good. Hopefully, if we could stay above, we could fill the empty space. But right now, no, there's nothing for me to do. You'll have to do your own research. Yeah, the market is mechanical, so that's exactly, you know, why I love swing trading, because we have the empty space and we have the Potter Box, and that's just pretty much it for me. So that was on AMD. Let's look at PLTR. I think I missed this one, but you know what? It's fine. As you can see, it's cool. But yes, what do we have here? Yo, Francisco, what's up, dude? How are you, man? Yeah, I can do meta. Not meta. I can do SPY for you. Yeah, no worries, man. Good to see you once again. Yes, PLTR. What do we have? What are we seeing? I see a clear, easy move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And boom, what do we have above us? So we had a body candle closing directly at the same line. Looks like we did end up breaking above, and now we're trying to target into the empty space. But right now, yes, we would need to stay above for the empty space to be hit. But right now, I'm just going to wait. Nothing for me to do except for just wait. Oh, wow. Walmart. Whole bunch of different ones. So don't give me a second here. Let's see what DraftKings is doing. I kind of love DraftKings. So yeah, INTC now. Let's look at that as well. Let's see what the damage is here. Yeah, I can definitely. So after I gotta go over INTC, Tesla, and then Meta, and then after that we can go over SPY. Yeah, no worries. Yo, Logic, what's up, man? How are you today, bro? Good to see you. Good to see you. All right. So for INTC, it looks like. Oh yeah. Okay. So. Looks like, you know, this play did end up working. As you can see, what do we have here? This clear, easy move down. No, I will be honest. I did not take this trade. I had it drawn up, but I was in a couple other ones. But as you can see, yes, we had this clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And what happens? We had a top wall we needed to break. So body candle. We broke over it. We went up and tapped into the empty space. And obviously, yes, these aren't just, you know, random boxes that I'm drawing. It's not just, oh, I'm boxing up, you know, all these candles and then hoping for it to go up. No, I'm not doing that at all. I have, you know, you have to look for points of contact. You have to make sure your walls are correct. And that was, you know, one thing that, you know, obviously the empty space is going to be the easiest part. But the hardest part will definitely be, you know, getting your boxes right. And it took me like a year for, you know, me to actually understand which boxes are right and which ones are wrong. But yeah, just go by points of contact, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, INTC, it looks like that play already happened. Personally, I don't want to take this trade. I'm done with this. I don't want to, you know, I did see that one play, but personally, I just wouldn't want to take that trade anymore. I think Tesla went up, didn't it? Yeah, so, NU, dude, yeah, I can do NU. Shout out to Logic for pulling up. Yeah, NU, yeah. 1 second here. Yo, thanks for the follows, Quincy. Thank you all for the follows, all the likes. And yes, if you guys do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat. I actually do have the VIP discount code up right now. I will be ending that today. I was supposed to end that last night, but either DM me for the code or you can look in the general chat and see. All right, honestly, okay. This is what I have here, and just give me a chance here. I already know that we're all the way down at this 255 area. There's just nothing for us to do. So yes, guys, please do your own research before doing anything. Not financial advice, so please do your own research. Yeah, Tesla had earnings for sure. Yeah, Nvidia. Yeah, dude, I haven't even looked at that. Yeah, let me see. And yes, the discount code works on the, the weekly, the monthly, the yearly, and also the lifetime membership. But yes, that will be ending today. I was supposed to end that yesterday. But yeah, either DM me for the discount code or you can see it in the chat. 1 second here. Honestly, okay. Give me a chance here. And this is what I see. Obviously, I know we're all the way at this 255 area, so there's just nothing for us to do. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. Please do your own research. There's nothing for us to do right now, except for wait. So yes, clear, easy move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And once we do end up breaking up, so hold on. So we need a top wall and also a bottom wall as well. And this top wall that I'm seeing, points of contact, top wall, and also this bottom wall as well. Boom. What do we have? Body candle, body wick closing directly at the same line here. And yes, this definitely will not happen today. I'm definitely not getting in. I do not, I would, tell you all to do your own research because there's just nothing for us to do. Let's just say we do end up breaking above this wall here. I don't see any resistance until, boom, this green candle here. As you can see, what is this? We have a top wall. We also have this bottom wall here. And in the middle, what is this? Empty space, guys. This is exactly what I'm targeting each and every day, where there are candles with no consolidation. So right here, what is this? All of this is consolidation. I do not want to trade it. I would not even want to get in. The only time I would care about this trade, obviously, not financial advice, not telling you guys to buy anything. Please do your own research. So yes, you can see what I'm waving around right now. Not financial advice. Please do your own research. And yes, we're at the 255. There's just no entry right now. But yes, I want to trade from one box to the next box. Obviously, my first take profit would still be the middle of the move. And this middle of this move is the 50% mark. And this is where price can end up flushing. 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. Yeah, earnings was, yesterday right after close. Can I look at LUV? Yeah, no worries. I joined today. Thanks for the, wait, long. All good, man. No worries. So, yeah, if you guys do want to join the Discord, links in the bio. We have a free chat. We have a VIP chat. Honestly, you don't even have to join it if you don't want to. And if you do join it, honestly, just join the free chat. See how you like it. You can go talk to the members. Ask your questions. The free chat is pretty fire, too, as well. So SMCI, it looks like the constitutional overturn unless then. Yeah, so personally, this may can end up, dropping back down below for all, we know. But right now, I'm definitely not going to care about this trade unless we can get over or above level. What about a pullback to 20 at a open cheap price? Let me see, 220. So yeah, that 220 down here. We'll just have to see. Maybe on a lower time frame, we could end up breaking this one down. But yes, what do we see here? We have a little bit of empty space that I clearly can see. So yes, we have empty space here, but we just need some structure for us to take that to the downside. Yo, Brendan, what's up? Good morning, good morning. Yeah, I can do NVIDIA. Yeah, no worries. So let me do Meta really quickly, and then I have to do SPY, NU, NVIDIA, all that good stuff. Yeah, no worries. So I'm pretty much just going down the line. And yes, if you are joining my Discord, not the Discord, if you are joining my live stream, just guys know and remember, not financial advice. Please do your own research. Please do your own research. All right, hold on. The OTR looking good. Hold on, let me see what the other ones look like. All right, yeah, BA. So this is another one that I did in the swinging. Yeah, cool, that looks good. BA, let's see. All right, yeah, cool. That one ended up working too. So we just need to stay up, obviously. Let me see what BP is doing. So BP, very cheap, but yeah, still pretty much up on this one. Does need to stay up though. Does need to stay up. So yes, this imbalance is where price can end up reversing. So yes, what do we have? And same thing here. Doesn't matter what I do here. Each trade will look alike. We had a clear move down. We had my first take profit, final take profit, and the first take profit is, where these candles can go down or can go and then reverse. So as you can see, we did tap. Obviously, hopefully we can end up going back up. But yeah, we'll just have to see. Caught pin, dude. I know, man. That was wild, bro. Keep up the great work, Scuba. Yeah, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. So yeah, let me go over what? I gotta go over meta really quickly. Oh yeah, I was just on meta. All right, so looks like I will be honest. Hold on. Let me go to the 24-hour time frame. Okay, 24-hour. I don't see anything that I like, so I will go down to a lower time frame and break it down. So yes, if I'm on a 24-hour and I see nothing but consolidation, I'm not taking that trade. I'm going to a lower time frame, seeing if there's any empty space, seeing if there's anything good. Honestly, I do see something. Hold on. All right. Okay. So the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, it does look like this. Can I look at... Yo, Scott, what's up? What's up? Yeah, I can look at IWM for you. Yeah, no worries. IWM. Perfect, man. So it looks like... You know, I'll just do it very quickly. Looks like we had the empty space here. Looks like we did end up breaking over this wall. Let me see. Yeah, we already tapped into this imbalance. So I definitely wouldn't want to take this trade. I do like this, though. I think I had this on a lower time frame. So maybe a 30-minute, I believe. So yeah, 30-minute. Still looks pretty fire. Looks pretty decent. And same thing here, guys. Doesn't matter which time frame I use. I'm using the same exact method. So yes, what is this? Oh, that's a beautiful wall. So top wall, bottom wall here. So this is points of contact, body wick, and body candle closing directly at the same line. And under us, what do we have under us, everyone? Empty space. So where there are candles with no consolidation, if we end up breaking and closing underneath that wall there, I don't see any resistance, guys, until, boom, this red candle. And obviously, yes, we are clearly going up. Yes, we can end up breaking above and keep continuing to the upside. But I wouldn't care about this trade unless we can go back down and break underneath the level, under a wall. Obviously, it would be an early punchback entry at this white line, but that's a story for another day. First take profit would still be from my entry to my exit, the literal middle. And that's exactly what I like. And as of right now, what are we doing? What can we do here? We have nothing. Nothing at all. And yes, you all have to do your own research, not financial advice. But at least for meta, we did, you know, on the 30-minute chart, I do see the empty space to the downside. But that 4-hour, it does look like we are tapping. If we do end up going up, we could still end up targeting into this 538 area. But right now, I'm just going to wait because this move has already kind of happened. And I don't like chasing plays. So if a play's already happened, you know, even if I alerted it, even if I already had it set, and yeah, sometimes I will, you know, set plays, and I would forget about it. So just like the other play I just looked at, I think it was what? INTC. So INTC, as you guys could see, I had this play already set. Already had it, you know, alerted. We had the empty space here, but, you know, yes, we already went, and, you know, my alert didn't go off. And if it already, you know, has gone into the empty space, I definitely never want to chase a play at all. I would never chase a play. There's always going to be more plays, you know, more than just one. So yeah, let me look at NU really quickly. Oh, well, okay. All right. So it looks like we're going somewhere here. Yeah, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Thanks for 1.5K likes, you guys and gals going crazy. So as you can see, yes, still empty space here. There's no consolidation. We have a top wall and a bottom wall that needs to be broken. As you can see, yo, Catherine, what's up? What's up? Yo, Mr. Green, shout out to you, my guy. How are you today? Good to see you. Good to see you. And as you can see, empty space here. That looks fairly amazing. That looks really good. Boom. All these red candles with no green candles interfering. Obviously, yes, we are still consolidating, but still, there's just nothing for us to do except if we can break outside of my wall, my level. And we're basically trading from one box to the next box. So right now, there's nothing for us to do. So please do your own research. Please do on your research. Yo, good morning, man. How are you, bro? Good to see you. Good to see you. All right, so now let's keep on going, you guys. So we see NU that does look good. Yo, what's up? Good morning, man. How are you? IWM. Let's see. NVIDIA. Let me go back to SPY really quickly. You guys wanted to see SPY, so yeah, no worries. So I think we did this on a 1 hour chart, so same thing here. And obviously, yes, I do know that, let's see, 30-minute. Actually, no, I think, yeah, the 1 hour. So yes, we are pretty much consolidating in between two areas. There's nothing for us to do. Yo, the Qs, yo, Pop, what's up, what's up? BA, man. About BA. Yeah, we'll go over that too. So, the Qs, yeah, we'll go over the Qs after this as well. And then BA, yeah, no worries. We definitely do that. 1 second, guys. Let me make sure the VIP chat, let me make sure they're all striving. They're doing good. Things of that sort. All right, yeah, we're good. We're good. We're doing fine. We're doing good. Yeah, the chat is doing great. We're ready for the market to be open. So as you can see, this is what we had here. And you know what? I can go ahead and, you know, erase all this so I can, you know, start fresh. And so same thing here. Can I look at IWM? Yeah, I got you IWM and Tesla. Yeah, no worries, no worries. So yeah, same thing here, guys. This is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm seeing each and every day. I saw this clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And yes, what do we have here? So this is an area of no consolidation that really looks good to the upside. Obviously, what do we need? We need a top wall and we need a bottom wall. And no, these aren't just random boxes that I'm drawing like, oh, okay, we break out of this wall, we'll go. No, I'm making sure it's points of contact. I make sure that we have good points of contact. So these points of contact that I'm seeing, body candle, closing directly at the same line. This is going to be my top wall and my bottom wall. This is where buyers are controlling. So body candle. So those are 2 points of contact. Obviously, yes, I want more than 2 points of contact. You can have 1,000. But right now, for me, I like 2 points of contact or more. And yes, let's keep on going. What do we have here? We see, so top wall. If we end up breaking above that wall, I don't see any resistance, guys, until, boom, this green candle here. And obviously, first take profit would still be the middle of the move, and that is the literal middle of the move. So right now, what are we going to do right now? Nothing at all, except for just wait. There's just nothing for us to do. So, yes, where are we at? We are currently trying to go up, but there's just nothing that I'm going to do here, except for wait. Hold on. BA, let's see. So BA looking good. We're smacked right at my imbalance. And as you can see, wait, I think he wanted BA. So yeah, BA, still same thing. Well, different, but final take profit is about to be hit here. So same thing. And yes, let's look. So I called, you know, hold on, give me a second here. So this was all yesterday. Oh man, so yes, let's look. So this was yesterday. This is in my VIP chat. So I give out alerts, I give out signals. We mostly do swing trading here. But yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. I'm only going over the Potter box and how I personally utilize it, over it with examples. So yesterday at 2:40, and we get in swing trades at the last hour of the day. As you can see, this was right before market closed. BA, hold on. BA right now, we were having a clear move down, and I was thinking to the upside. Obviously, this is the before. BA now, the after. We ended up targeting to the upside. Obviously, with BA. So same thing here. This is what we had here. That looked really amazing. We had the clear move down. We were breaking over my wall, so that was BA. So this is BA. We ended up having a clear move down. All these red candles. We end up breaking above a level, a wall. What happens? We go up. So that's BA. Same thing. We go up and tap. So yeah, that, you know, honestly, those ended up working out. Obviously, yes, we still have to stay up. Not financial advice, of course. But yeah, for PLTR, same exact thing here. I actually did end up calling this one. I didn't get into PLTR though. So as you can see, let's look. We were inside the box here, and I called that out yesterday at 2:54. So if you're in my VIP, you get all of my alerts. As you can see, we're at this 99.59 area. So when I alerted this was at this 90. This was at this 94 area. So 94 area, you can see, and that was for PLTR, and now you can see that we're at this 99 area. Yo, Coco, what's up? Thanks for the follows. Yo, Thick Stars, what's up? SBB, yeah, let me take a look at that. And yes, guys, not telling you guys to buy anything. You all have to do your own research, not financial advice. So please, before you do anything, please do your own research, not financial advice. So please do your own research as well. Tesla, yeah, I can definitely go over that as well. So did I miss anything? You guys wanted me to look at some more things. IWM, QQQ. So yeah, let me go over the Qs too. And yes, if you guys do want to join the free chat, we have a Discord. Link is in the bio. You can join the free chat. We also have the VIP chat. I do have that code that will be ending today. I was supposed to end it last night, but I think I just fell asleep. But yeah, link is in the bio for everything. Oh, dude, yeah, LUV. I was like, yeah, I think Jose wanted me to do something. All right, yeah, you know what? We already have something here. And you know what? We can just break this one down as well. And NU, yeah, got you, man, got you. RKLB, NU, yeah, I got you guys. Yeah, no worries. I was like, I got to do something. I had it written down, but I'm not sure if I went over it or not. RKLB. Yo, Julius, what's up, Jew? How are you, man? ABBV, is that right? Let's see, yeah. BBV. All right, guys, give me 1 second. I'm going to get, you know, some coconut water. I need to get rehydrated. I'll be right back. But yes, just remember, guys, not financial advice, so please do your own research. I'll be right back, though. 1 second. Yo, I'm back, guys. Really appreciate you all for sticking by. Really appreciate it. All right, so yeah, so let's keep going. You're doing amazing work. Yo, thank you so much, Lodge. Really appreciate it, bro. Does anyone have any good long-term stocks to hold right now? So that, yeah, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. All right, so for love, let's go over this. Let's see what the damage is here. All right, so same thing here. This looks fairly amazing. So this is what, Southwest Airlines. All right. Now, this 24-hour chart does look pretty good. I'm definitely going to go over this as well. So, yes, what do we see here? The first thing that I see is this clear move down with all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And this is exactly what I want. So, the upside. Obviously, yes. What do we need here first? We need a top wall, bottom wall. Obviously, I wish this was a better wall, but still, there's a top. There's also this bottom here. That looks really fire. That looks really amazing. Obviously, my first take, the wall that we need to break, this 28 area. I would love to take this all the way up into this green candle here. And yes, in the middle, we have empty space that looks absolutely amazing, looks really fire. We may not get this entry today, but as you can see, yes, first take profit would still be the middle of the move. Right now, we definitely, have nothing for us to do right now except for wait. And yeah, it looks really good. So yes, if you guys... Can you teach me? So yes, I do have a Discord. I have a free Discord. Links in the bio. We have, you can ask your questions. Everyone there is pretty cool. We have the VIP chat. We give out signals, all that good stuff with a little bit more information. We have a discount code going right now for the VIP. But either DM me for that or you can see it in the chat. That will be ending today. But yes, make sure you guys know not financial advice. So please, please, please do your own research before doing anything. I also do one-on-one classes, so if you guys need a one-on-one class, just let me know. I'm only going to do like 1 or 2 more, but we'll see. So that was on LUV. Let's do NU as well. I think I did go over NU, but yeah, no worries. So NU, yes. What do we have? We have empty space here. That looks really good with no consolidation. And yes, I'm waiting for a break outside of this wall body candle, closing directly at the same line. We end up breaking above that. I don't see any resistance until this green candle here. So yes, we're basically trading from one box to the next box. We do not want to trade inside of consolidation. Obviously, I could, break it down on a lower time frame, but yes, guys, remember, if we're inside of consolidation, there is no entry. There's nothing for me to do. Let me see. RKOB. Let's see. Oh, wow, yeah. RKOB. Let's see, hold on. 1 second here. 1 second. ABBB as well, a lot of these. Dude, yeah, let me write all this down. So, yeah, RCL. Yo, Wally, what's up? What's up? RCL. Tesla, yep, got you. And CELH, yeah, let me do that as well. CELH, perfect. All right, so RKOB, let's go ahead and we'll break this down as well. So same thing here. We are consolidating. There's just nothing for us to do. We have, so yes, what exactly do we have here? We have this clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And this is exactly what I want to take to the upside. Obviously, yes, we have a top wall and a bottom wall that needs to be broken. So top wall, body wick, and body candle closing directly at the same line. And yes, if we do end up breaking and closing above this level here, I don't see any resistance until, boom, this green candle up here. And that looks really good. That looks really decent. But right now, there's just nothing for us to do except for just to wait. Let me make sure that on VIP chat, they're all good, striving, all that good stuff. Make sure they're, all right, yeah, we're good. All right, yeah, we're chilling. Perfect. So that was on RKOB. Honestly, that does look good. We probably won't get that entry today, though. I want to see how my other stocks are doing. BA, all right, cool. Stay up. Do your thing there. All right, BA. All right, yeah, looking good. That looks good. Obviously, BP is having a little trouble, but yes, this is still up, though, so... Got in pretty much at this 28.87 area. We are at this 29.50 area. So, yeah, still looks pretty good. Hopefully, we can just stay up. Not bad. So, yeah, BAB. So, this is basically the trades I called out yesterday. Oh, yeah, we're smacked right at inbound. So, hopefully, we can just stay up. That would be great for us. So, yeah, my thought process behind these trades here. This is BABA as well. Oh, INTC, I did not go. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, no worries. Let me do that next, right after this. So, yes, for BABA, and I did call this out in the VIP chat. Obviously, yes. We do need to stay up, of course. So, let's see. So, this was BA and BABA, and also BP. But, yes, this is what we saw here. So, for BA, we had, this was more of a lotto play, but we did have this empty space move down. And we needed a break over this wall, this level. And I was basically targeting into the empty space. And let's look for BA. We did end up breaking above the wall, the level. And my final take profit is about to be hit. So that's, obviously they had earnings, but, doesn't really matter. I look for the same setup each and every day. So yeah, that had earnings, but BABA didn't. As you can see, BABA, this is what we had here. You can see the before where I called it out inside the VIP Discord. This was yesterday. See clear move down, this big red candle, and we ended up breaking above. So yesterday before, and this is how I get into all my trades. So all my swing trades, I wait until the end of the day. I wait literally to the last hour, the last 30 minutes before I get into a trade. And a lot of traders are going to be like, okay, why would you waste the whole day of not trading and wait to the last hour? It's because contracts get a little bit cheaper in some cases, and I'm waiting for buyers and sellers to, to see who won, and I'm looking for empty space. And as you can see, we did end up breaking above the wall here. And for BABA, obviously, we did end up gapping above. Obviously, my first take profit is the inbound, so this is where price can typically end up reversing. But yes, yo, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. No worries. No worries at all. Yo, what's up, Stephanie? So, I got to do INTC, and then let me pull up. So INTC, yeah, no worries. And also, let's see, NVIDIA, yep, got you. And then also for Wally, got you. You wanted RCL, yeah, no worries. Let me go ahead and pull these up so I don't forget. All right, yeah, let me do INTC first because I think I did do it, but I'm not sure. All right, looks like, so clearly, we did go over this one. So I did have a play here. So there was a top wall, there was a bottom wall here. We did end up breaking above this wall, targeting into this empty space. Yes, where are we in? Looks like we are trying to target into this empty space here. That looks really good. Personally, I don't want to take this trade because the trade I already had kind of already worked out, and just don't want to be into another trade. Obviously, no, I did not take INTC, so just to clarify, I did not take INTC. Obviously, yes, I had, so this was the one, like I was telling you guys earlier, like, yes, this was the one that I had, but no, I didn't even take. COF, yeah, Storgo, what's up, what's up? COF, yeah, let me look at that. Yo, thank you so much, Lucy, for the follows. And Rich, thanks for the follows, guys and gals. Tesla, oh, I'm assuming you got puts. Let me see, oh, okay, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. You know, a lot of people, they did end up taking puts, but I didn't even play Tesla. Obviously, I could have, but I was like, you know what? I think something crazy is going to happen with Tesla. Obviously, it went the other way than, you know, what other people expected. All right, for ICC, this is what I'm seeing here, though. So this is the good news. Yes, we did go up to the upside and target to the upside, but this is what I'm seeing. We have... Oh wait, hold on, I gotta turn this twerking song off. I don't know who put that in the song, in this playlist, but anyways. Yes, clear, easy move up of all these green candles. And yes, I would love to take this to the downside. And in order for us to actually do this, what do we need? We need a top wall and a bottom wall there. So, there is no top wall or bottom wall here yet. So yes, we would have to, you know, pretty much just wait for a top wall and bottom wall to be created in order for us to take this to the downside. So right now, this is just a wait game. We just have to wait as well. Shout out to Wally. So yeah, I'll do RCL and then we'll do NVIDIA right after this one as well. And NVIDIA, oh wow. Yeah, so NVIDIA, it looks like it already worked out. But anyways, yeah, let's go to a higher time frame and then we'll work our way down. And you know, obviously you guys and gals know I love my higher time frames. Oh dude, I don't even remember doing this one. But yeah, it looks like we had the empty space. We broke above. We tapped to the take profit as well. Yeah, man, no worries. So if you guys, you know, end up losing a trade, it's fine. You know, don't, you know, be hurt over one trade. There's always going to be a lot more trades available. So yeah, if I have to take a loss, man, I definitely will take a loss. I don't care about it. You know, I do like to have my stop losses at break even or, you know, very minimal stop loss. And, you know, I rinse and repeat every single day. And that's just pretty much it. Coin, yeah, I do coin. So personally, I use TradeStation. So TradeStation, Webull is pretty good too, though. So the stop loss. So yes, and yes, guys, please remember, do your own research, not financial advice. So please, please, please do your own research, not financial advice. I'm only going over examples and how I personally utilize Potterbox. I am not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. But yeah, RCL looks like, I will be completely honest, it does look like we already tapped into some empty space. Let me go ahead and clear this chart here so we can just break this one down. Alright, yeah, so same thing here. I don't really see anything that I personally like on a weekly chart, so maybe I can break this down on a 2 hour, possibly a 1 hour. Let's just see here. Let's see, 24 hour. 24 hour, I think this was on a 4 hour, yeah, 4 hour. Alright, so yeah, same thing here. This is what I'm seeing. Doesn't look too bad. I just don't like how these candles are kind of like, you know, bunched up. But yeah, same thing. But yeah, Squares, I got you with CLH. I'll do that next. No worries, my guy. I got you. I did not forget about you. And also Pins. Dude, yeah, Scooby, you've been going crazy, bro. Keep up the great work, man. I saw it, I think, what, 2 days ago, and then, what, yesterday? I was like, wow, my guy's going crazy. All right, but anyways, yes, what do we have here? We have a top wall and also a bottom wall here. And then, let's see. Boom. Clear move down. This is no consolidation. We end up breaking above this wall. Don't see any resistance until, boom, this 215 area. Obviously, what are we doing right now? Looks like we are consolidating. So we are still in the area of consolidation, so there's just nothing for me to do at all. At least not right now. There's nothing for me to do. So yes, that was on RCL. Let's look at CELH. Let's see what the damage is here. Let's go ahead and break all this down. Let's go to a, honestly, let's see what a weekly chart is talking about here. Ooh, okay, so the weekly chart doesn't look that bad. Alright, I like this weekly. Let me make sure the 24 hour doesn't look that bad. Yeah, I like this weekly chart a little bit better. Not bad at all. Yeah, I can definitely do that. So UAL. Yo, got you, man. What's up, dude? How are you? Let's see. UAL. UAL. All right, cool. Perfect. What's the best app for news in the market? So the app that I use, or not app, I guess you could call it. I use Earnings Hub. So Earnings Hub, basically and yes, it's free. You can see, I don't even have an account set up. It says sign in. So yeah, you can see Earnings Hub. That's where I see all the earnings plays, and we have a lot of earnings plays this week. So that's just pretty much where I go for my information. Obviously, yes, please do your own research, not financial advice. So please do your own research. Bro, you're not reading? Dude, yeah, I just read your comment. I said Tesla. I could definitely do that for you. No worries, man. I got you, bro. I got you, man. No worries. All right, so same thing here. What are we seeing? So this is what I'm seeing here. But yeah, I can definitely do TSLL for you. Yeah, no worries, man. I thought I said it loud enough, but I guess not. All right, so yeah, same thing. What do we have here? We have, and this looks beautiful. I definitely will say this looks really good. So we have this clear, easy move down of this big red candle with no green candles interfering. All good, guys. Yes, if I did not get to you, I promise I will. I got you guys and gals. No worries at all. And yes, I will be live a little bit later too as well today. So yeah, no worries. I've written everything down though. Do you have active Cash App or PayPal to I don't know what that even. Yeah, you know what? I'm just doing the charts here, guys. You're not financial advice. Not telling you guys to buy anything. So please. Do your own research. Oh, dude, INTC has earnings tomorrow. Yeah, I got you, Talent. No worries, man. No worries. I got you. So appreciate you for pulling up once again. So yes, let's just say we do end up breaking above this wall here. I don't see any resistance, guys. And so boom, this green candle here, which looks really good. Obviously, my first take profit would still be the middle of the move, and it looks like we are kind of consolidating. So we're trying to reach it, but we're still consolidating. So there's just nothing for me to do right now. So let's see. You guys want it? Hold on. Pins and then Tesla UAL. Yeah, so let me pull up pins. Yeah, let's see what the damage is here. Tesla TSLL. And, wait, hold on. That's the wrong one. And then you also wanted UAL. Yep, UAL. We can definitely do that as well. All right, let's keep on going, guys. So let's do pins first. So pins was first on the list. Honestly, let's see. So let's go to a 24-hour time frame and then break this down. Yo, Meyer, what's up? Good morning. And yeah, TTD, I can definitely do that for you guys and gals. No worries. TTD. All right. Hold on. Let me make sure. Hold on. Let me look at some stuff really quickly. BA. Oh wow, BA smacked my final target. That's great. Let's see what BA is doing. All right, cool. That's fine. Looks like BP is the only one that wants to act up. Obviously, my take profits have been hit, but definitely want this to stay up. But as you see, yes, that looks really good. Let me see what PLTR. Hold on, give me a second. I'm just looking at the swing trades that I got into. I did not get into PLTR though. I will be honest, did not get into that. But BA, I definitely did. BA might have did, and then BP definitely did on that. But so we're still up though. So even though that's a big red candle, I still got in pretty much this 28 area. So still up though. So not bad at all. So yeah, let's keep on going. And I think I got to do what, pins and then Tesla and then or TSLL. So pretty much same thing. So yeah, same thing. What do we see here? We see. All right, this is what I like here. And I know I don't really like drawing big boxes like this, but this is still. So yes, this is top wall there. That's also a bottom wall here. So I could, this is how I'm pretty much going to do the wall. And let's just say we do end up breaking above this level. So there's a level here, this 28-22 area that needs to be broken. And I don't see any resistance until, boom, up to here. That looks really good. Obviously, yes, what is in the middle? We have empty space. And right now we're consolidating. There's nothing for us to do on that. So yeah, let's look at TSLL. Let's see what the damage is here. Got you, Talent. No worries. I did not forget about you. And yes, I was reading your comments. All right. So Let's see. All right, so it does look like. All right, so hold on one second here. Let me go to a 24-hour time frame. So the 24-hour, you know, what I'm waiting for that looks fairly decent is this. And this is like the bigger move that I'm personally waiting for on Tesla. Obviously, we did have a swing trade on it a little bit earlier this week. But yeah, there's a top wall. There's a bottom wall here. Above that, 1385, I could see us easily going up to that, what, 1723. That looks really good. Obviously, first take profit would still be the middle of the move. But yes, there's nothing for us to do. You all have to do your own research, so please do your own research before doing anything. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. But yeah, that looks really good. So the upside, I do like, let's see, we can even break it down. All right, so for a 1 hour, so actually, let me go down to a 30-minute really quickly. All right, now I do like the 1 hour a lot better. So yes, for the good news here, yes, we did see it go all the way up. We have this clear empty space move up with no consolidation, and this is exactly what I want to the downside. Obviously, we need a top wall and a bottom wall, so we just have to wait on that. So yeah, just give this some, you know, maybe in the next live, if we build some structure here, I can go over it again. But yeah, we'll just have to see on that. But yeah, it doesn't look bad. I'm just going to wait on that, though. Oh, wow, okay, UAL. This does look pretty good. And you want TTD? TTD, I think? Yeah, cool. The trade desk. Yeah, let's see what the damage is there. All right, so same thing here. What do we have? And appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free version. We also have the VIP version where we give out signals as well. 500 shares. Dude, let me see. Hold on. Let's see really quickly. At 7. Let me see. Okay. Crazy, man. Good stuff. All right, so UAL, this is what I have here. This is what I'm seeing. So we have a top wall. We also have a bottom wall here. That look fairly decent. And yes, above us, above this wall that I'm seeing, we break above that. I personally would want to take it up to here. The 79 area. Obviously, first take profit would still be the middle of the move. And that middle of this move is the 50% mark. This is where we trim those contracts. So right now, yes, we're consolidating. There's absolutely nothing for us to do right now. Nothing at all. All right, 1 second here. First take profit would still be the middle of the move. Boom. That looks really good. Obviously, yes, there's nothing for us to do except for just wait for a trade. And yeah, that doesn't look bad here. Maybe at the end of the day, but yeah, we'll just have to see on that. We will just have to see with that trade. 1 second. Give me a second here. VX. All right, hold on 1 second here. And yes, guys, really appreciate you all for tuning in. So Tesla, I don't think you did miss it. So yeah, Tesla, you know, same thing there. I'm waiting for a 24-hour candle closure above that 298 area, and then I would love to take that to the upside. But right now, there's just nothing for me to do except for just wait. But yeah, let's just see. Honestly, today is going to be a great day. We have a couple swings that we did end up getting into, so closer to market open, hopefully we can just stay up. We'll be taking some profits, but we'll just have to see what the damage is. So yeah, a whole bunch of different trades that we are going over that we do want to see, that we are trying to take. As you can see, 1 second here. Honestly, Walmart looks pretty good, looks pretty decent. So same thing. This is what I'm seeing. That doesn't look bad. We see a clear, easy. And yes, guys, not financial advice. You have to do your own research, so please do your own research, not financial advice. So top wall, bottom wall here. We do end up, my bad, someone's calling me. We do end up breaking above this wall there. I don't see any resistance, guys, until boom. This 102 area. Obviously, first take profit would still be the middle of this move. And the middle of the move is the imbalance. This is where we trim those contracts, of course, trying to reach the final take profit. Obviously, yes, there's just nothing for us to do right now. We are still consolidating in between these two levels. So right now, yes, I pretty much am not going to do anything at all except for just wait. And yeah, right now that looks fairly decent. We have the empty space. That looks pretty good. I'm just going to wait pretty much. But yeah, it doesn't look bad. Not bad at all. But yes, guys, I will be getting off now. I really appreciate you all for tuning in. I will do a live stream a little bit later today. Just remember, guys, not financial advice. If you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have a free chat. We also have the VIP chat. Either hit me up for a discount code, or you can see it in the group chat. Obviously, thank you guys so much. I will see you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen. See you all soon.